Why should you do art in 2026? Hey, my name is Andy. Welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to talk about this. So getting into the subject, why should you do art if you're a beginner or creative? Let's say you want to do a hobby. You need something to pass the time. Well, art is very good and can be very fun. And it can be very soothing. Now, why do I say this? Well, when I sit down for doing a drawing, I get into this zone. I like to have music on, or maybe audio or book or something. I will be drawing and my mind will kind of drift and the time will fly by. It can help me relax, kind of forget about your problems for a little while, and have a purpose, have a goal. Okay, right now, for the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna color the sleeve, and then I'll add a bit of yellow, and in a way, especially in this time where I am, where it's winter and cold, it can kind of give you a purpose in the long evenings or days. Now, maybe you're just starting out with art and you don't know what to do. Well, I've seen coloring books for adults that people can have, and they'll color. There'll be scenes of animals or scenes of landscapes or other subjects, and you can have your colored pencils or markers and just start coloring. And it doesn't have to be grand and elaborate, but this will help kind of relieve stress. Forget about your problems, forget about issues, and help you focus on one thing. One other thing is, let's say you're at your 9 to 5 job, and maybe you don't really like it, or it's not something you look forward to. Well, then when you have this hobby, there's something that you do in the evenings and you get home, it can give you, in the daytime, it can give you kind of a purpose and something to look forward to if you enjoy it. And you come home and you think, wow, now I have a few minutes or an hour for me to do this or do that, and spend doing this thing that I like that helps also relax me, so I can give you something to look forward to and plan in your day. And what I recommend is don't go off too into the deep end and start saying, well, maybe I could sell this, or maybe I could do this or do that with that. Nah, don't worry about that. Don't worry about selling art. Don't worry about any of that right now. Just do it for you. Don't worry about giving it away. If you want to, feel free. But don't worry about anything else. But just doing that, and maybe you don't show it to anyone. You just have it as a personal collection. Maybe it's very personal to you. It doesn't need to be seen or sold or worried about. That's what I'm doing with my art right now, is I'm just doing some little doodles, some little drawings here and there, and it's very much for me. Now, with that being said, I do live stream on YouTube, and so people see it, but I don't really worry about, oh, I need to do this for YouTube exactly. I do it because I enjoy it, and also, in my case, it's giving me great practice and mileage. It's helping me improve my art, and that, to me, is very important, practicing and getting better at my craft. Also, if you're a beginner, I wouldn't worry too much about the perfect art materials. Just use what you have. If you have some colored pencils from your kids or something, use that to start off. Maybe if you see you do like it, and it's something you want to continue doing, then go for it. Get some better quality colored pencils. First, see if you really like it, and if it's something you enjoy and that you want to do more of. I would recommend getting better quality materials, colored pencils, markers, paint eventually, but not at the very beginning. And by the way, I do have a video where I talk about art materials, so I really hope you will give this a try. In 2026, you'll start a hobby. It's a new year, it's a new time. Also, be sure to share what you do with me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Be sure to tag me. Anyways, take care. See you later. Bye.